Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Dreams channel. Academic Dreams channel is a classroom for B.Ed course. So in the continuation of our discussion, we are going to discuss today a very important topic from the subject called Foundation of Curriculum Development. So subject is Foundation of Curriculum Development and the topic is Structure of Curriculum. So structure of curriculum, the question related to structure of curriculum in the B.Ed level may be asked in different way. What is the relation between curriculum development and structure? What is the relation between educational objective and structure? And simply a short note also may be asked. What is only simply may be asked as a short note, structure of curriculum development. Though we have written here structure of curriculum, actually this is the structure of curriculum development. So as we know, curriculum in school level, that means in formal education, is simply combination of different subject, and it also includes different other co-curricular activities in wider sense. So basically, what is going on at present, we are giving importance on only the combination of or collection of or a number of subjects in the curriculum. Suppose literature, social science, English, maths. So these all are suppose in commonly known as curriculum in school level. But for your convenience of study and knowledge, I would like to say that curriculum is not only the school subjects. Along with the school subject, it should include different co-curricular activities, different activities which help to develop the all-round development of personality of the children. However, while we like to discuss about the structure of curriculum development, definitely curriculum development in any level, in any country, depends upon the structure of education of the country. Suppose previously we had 10 plus 2 plus 3, 10 years school education, this was higher secondary education 2 years, then this is degree level. And at present, according to latest new education policy 2020, that is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So 5 years includes 3 years of nursery education and later on 1 plus 1, 2. Then 3 means plus 3, 4, 5. And this 3 means 6, 7, 8. And this 4 means 9, 10, 11, 12. So while we are going to frame curriculum for the school level or any level of education, we must follow this structure at present. So actually structure of curriculum is also depends upon the structure of education system of the country. However, our basic discussion is depend upon our basic discussion of today is structure of curriculum, or we can say how we can develop the curriculum through a particular structure, through a particular way. So structure of curriculum or way of curriculum development that is, first of all, it is target group. Then secondly, target group, it is related to expected learning outcome. After expected learning outcome, we must select the content. After the content, we must clear the instructional strategies, and finally evaluation. These all are sanely related or a circular process. First of all this one, secondly this one, thirdly this one, fourth this one, fifth this one. So this is a circular process like this. Like this. First of all target group, suppose, then expected learning outcome, then suppose selection of content, then suppose instructional design, then evaluation. So this is a circular process. Now, how structure of curriculum development or structure of curriculum, you see, target group means for while we go to frame curriculum, we must think about the target groups. Take it very simply. Suppose you are given the responsibility, or suppose a committee is given the responsibility to frame the curriculum for primary level. That means suppose class 3, 4, 5, for class 3, 4, 5. Suppose for primary level, the curriculum, someone is given, or a group of experts is given the responsibility for development of curriculum of primary level. That is the target group. Then secondly, from that target group, what we expect, what kind of behavior we like to develop from that group of individuals. That means if our target is class 9 and 10, if our target group is selected as the class 9 and 10 to frame the curriculum, then what kind of behavior we expect from that content, from the curriculum. That is expected learning outcome. From that target group, what we want to get feedback like, or what kind of changes we expect from children of class 9, 10, that should be determined. Then accordingly, target group is class 9, 10, we expect certain behavioral outcome of the children or the student, and according to the expected learning outcome, we should select the content. And that is why we want that our children, our student of class 9 and 10 should know very clearly about the utility of democracy. So the content about democracy, democratic government, types of government, all these contents are available in class 9. Then after the selection of the content, we must think about instructional strategy. So instructional strategy is similar to method. That means how we will teach. For example, concept of democracy, then types of or different forms of government, or other concepts which are related to democracy are included in civic part of class 9. Now, so how we will teach all this? We will teach how we can teach all this. So our strategy may be some ways and means, like to go to certain places, doing project work or sport learning, visiting some places like that, or it may be simply group discussion, or it may be lecture in the classroom. But you remind, for class 9 and 10, lecture method is not only the suitable method. We need lecture come discussion so that children can be involved. At the same time, sport learning. At the same time, some project work, all should be the part of instructional strategy. Then after the selection of instructional strategies, we must evaluate the whole curriculum, whether the expected curriculum or whether the selected curriculum really fulfill our expectation. That should be evaluated. then only we can get a good curriculum for the particular level. So dear trainees, I think so you take it very easily. You have understood this concept of structure of curriculum development. I mean to say structure of curriculum, and in our further studies, further discussion in further videos, we will discuss some other topic related to curriculum development. Thank you.